Hi, my name is Brian Duckart, and my capstone is the Costa 831 Realty website. My client was Peter Hall, and my capstone advisor was Kevin Cahill. The problem is that my client was a new startup in the realty business, and he needed a website that would attract customers, and he needed something that the customers on the go looking at properties could get information. Because it's really frustrating when you go to a property and you see, oh, there's no flyers for this property, so how do I find out the information? The solution was to build a site in Drupal that the client could easily manage, and would also have a mobile interface, so people on the go could check it from their smartphone, and they'd be able to get the same functionality, and you'd be able to scan a QR code, and it would take you to the property listing that you're looking for. Here I just have a design. This is the final design for the property listing, all the agents that were working with him. And this is how a sign could be used with a QR code on it. What is a QR code, you might be asking? Well, it's a square barcode that can be scanned with a smartphone app, and it contains a link that will take you to the website with the information you're looking for. So the methodology was, I started out by creating mock-ups of what the website could look like and getting my peers to tell me what they think of them. And then I went about learning how to use Drupal, which is a content management software or system that manages all the files that go into a website, so that the client doesn't need to worry about programming. They just enter the information they want, and then it displays on their website. And I tested the QR codes with multiple phones to make sure that they worked. The tools I used were the Drupal content management system and Adobe Dreamweaver CS 5.5, along with Text Wrangler to edit the HTML and CSS coding. And I also used my Mac and iPhone. What I learned during this project was how to communicate with a client and work with them, and manage my time effectively so that I could get a project done. And also, I learned how to design for a mobile interface. It's a lot different than designing for a large screen, such as a desktop computer. And I learned how to build something in Drupal, which is a very, very hard thing to learn at first, but then once you get the hang of it, it's a little easier. Thank you for your interest in my capstone project. If you'd like to find out more, come see me at my poster session in room 120.